The biggest disease is corruption and the vaccine is transparency. So now I would like to invite a wonderful girl who is Tanya to deliver a wonderful speech on the topic of corruption. So Tanya, please come here and share your views on this topic.
So good morning to one and all present here. I am Tanya from 11th standard in Indraprasth Senior Secondary School. It is rightly said that your speech only become well if your tongue says what your heart feels. So I am here to give you a speech on the topic of corruption. Corruption is a worldwide ongoing issue, and I am here to enlighten all of you on the topic of corruption. Well, one and others we all have come across the word corruption. Corruption. By the political ideology's definition, corruption is dishonesty and criminal offense by the peoples and the organizations to entrusted with the person and to enlighten their benefits and abuse their power for their benefit. It seems lengthy and confusing. So, most simply, corruption is dishonesty behavior by the peoples of the authorities like managers and government officials. So, this is how peoples with power rules the whole world. So, the top speech on corruptions without some examples is not good and not give an effect on the peoples. So here some things I have on corruption. I have some examples on corruptions that you and your children for a big and reputed college. So if you want to take an admission in a reputed college and you are not eligible for this, the BREEB is a door opener for this. The BREEB is a one door opener for this. Corruption. Corruption, corruption, corruption. We all have listened this word everywhere. But with corruptions, this is not good for us. Corruption is not good for us and our nation also. But this is a sad truth of these days and our life. Corruption, we all do these things. We give bribe and we don't want to prevent it. But we do more and more corruption. This is not good for us, guys. This is not good for us. So, any speech on corruption is never completed without looking the case of corruptions. We all listen this that everything happens with a reason. So that everything is happening around us have a great drives and motivation. Great drive and motivation. Listen, guys, corruption is not good, but we don't know about the cases of corruptions. So I have some cases of corruptions that we do every time. So there are greed of money, poverty, lack of educations, and political inequalities, gender inequalities, women inequalities. There are many cases of corruptions there are. So we have to prevent this. We don't do corruptions and we all do corruption. We all know that we do corruption every day. So we don't do this, and I hope my blog on corruptions helps you to prevent it. Thank you for listening.
Thanks Tanya for coming here and telling us about corruption. The duty of youth is to challenge corruption. And really, it was a very wonderful speech by Tanya.